Okay, Mother's Day sweet eats. I made my mom blueberry scones per a Preppy Kitchen John Cannell recipe. Here's the recipe. Printed it out on February 3, 2023, 7:37 p.m. The video, if there's a YouTube video, Easy Blueberry Scones Recipe Beyond Delicious by/on channel Preppy Kitchen, which I will mention in the video description. From the date for that video was 5 May 2022. And so I made them, just finished making them, had a scone with my mom and my dad, and then I'm going to pack, it makes 8 scones. I'm packing 2, one for my aunt and one for my grandma. I'm going up to Whidbey Island Golf Club to have lunch with them today. So I'm going to take them with me. And so I chose one. This is not an in the kitchen like the last Preppy Kitchen one. I did make it though. So I chose one of the smaller ones because I had one of the biggest ones earlier. So I did it like the recipe directions. I did not do some of the fancier baking steps. So I went with fresh blueberries instead of frozen blueberries, and I did the lemon zest. So it's nice. It's not a very sweet recipe. I mean, it is sweet, but it's not like a croissant or like a butter croissant with lots of sugar. Like, yeah. The blueberries are fresh and plump. They actually bubbled in the oven. I took a video and I put it up as a shorts video. I'm not sure when I'll get this posted today. But filming it now, so I have it ready to go. So maybe the best way of phrasing it is, it's sweet but not overly sweet. Scones aren't the sweetest of baked goods in my experience. Though, that depends on the recipe. Authentic scones are, yeah, this is kind of more of like an authentic scone. And there was no electrical equipment or anything. I did it like the kneading and the working stuff in by hand. So it's cool that this guy retains that cultural tradition and heritage. A lot of people these days like to ignore their kind of family tree with electricity instead of their cultural traditions. So good on him. It's true to scone. I'll give it a 16 out of 10. And the last time I made one of this guy's recipes, the olive oil cake sweet eats that I made from this guy, his kitchen, recipes. I undercooked the olive oil cake. I didn't do that this time. It was cooked perfectly. So I'm moving up in the baking world. Happy sweet eats, 16 out of 10. Blueberry scones per the Preppy Kitchen recipe. I'll mention the channel in the video description. And happy Mother's Day.